Alright guys, check it out. So I'm going to start building an M1 Finance portfolio on this channel, and I think right now is a really good time to try and jump in some of my favorite stocks. And so while the market is pulled back, so you can see here across the board all these stocks that I want in my M1 Finance portfolio are severely in the red today. So I think it's a really good time for me to start making some entrance positions into my M1 Finance portfolio. Okay, but really guys, this portfolio is really built around the higher price stocks that I want. Okay, that's really the advantage to M1, is getting the more expensive stocks that you like and want in your portfolio on the fractional basis. Okay, so I want to have a position at Amazon, Google Class A, Nvidia, Apple, MasterCard, Alibaba, Take-Two Interactive, Disney, PPA. That's a military defense ETF. I really like them a whole lot. I probably need to do a video on that. And then MJ and GDX. Okay, so let's jump over there and I'll show you what I got going on. So earlier today I opened up a new M1 Finance portfolio just for this YouTube channel. Okay, just to start portfolio building on this YouTube channel. Okay, and so I have applied, I have filled everything out, and I have to fund my account. So it says it's going to take a day or two to they got to put some fractional amount of money into my account. I have to confirm that amount, then I can fund my portfolio and begin investing with it. So this is the portfolio I'm going to use on the channel, guys. Like I said, we're going to start investing on these levels. I may or may not make changes to it as time goes on, but these are the positions I definitely want. So I set up 20% in Google Class A. Okay, I'm allocating 20% to Amazon. I'm allocating 10% to JP Morgan Chase. I'm allocating 10% to Nvidia. And then all these positions down here, guys, I'm just putting 5% in. Either I think they're priced up a little too high right now, or perhaps I feel like the sector is a bit too risky, or I feel like some of these stocks might actually offset some of our gains. That's why I want a smaller amount in these stocks. So I got Alibaba, Apple, MJ, PPA, MasterCard, Take-Two, Disney, and GDX. Okay, and as you can see here on this watch list I built, everything is in the red today. I actually need to add JP Morgan Chase because that is not on here. Okay, there it is. Now I got it on there. But so that's what I'm gonna do, and I have turned off the auto investing feature. Okay, because when I make a deposit, I'm going to want to buy on days like this right here. Okay, this is a great day, like I said, to be buying stocks. Unfortunately, I don't have this account funded yet, or I probably would make a buy today. But I have a feeling we're gonna be having a couple of rough days. We've had 5 or 6 negative days now. So just as soon as I get my account funded, and then I'm going to start taking positions in these stocks. So let me know what you think, guys. Like I said, this is one of many portfolios that I plan to manage on this YouTube channel right here. And this is really to benefit you all, benefit the subscriber. And so this is just, like I said, one of many portfolios I plan to build on here. Okay, so like I said, drop me a like, guys. Leave me a comment, tell me what you think about it, and we'll catch you later.